NoFX cover. Let's go.
They don't hate us, they just hate their lives. And desperate people will learn to despise the suicidals. Don't want a coup, they don't want to blow up. They just want their 72. Virgins can never stop a war, but 100,000 hookers can beat the Marine Corps. It's stopping hatred, fighting will cease. When everyone is getting blowjobs, that's when we'll finally have world peace. Million men have been killed in foreign wars. We need to reinstate the draft and list a million whores. Start with sororities and all the spring breaks. Ship the girls gone wild to Afghanistan. They'll gladly blow the ships. These holy wars aren't holy. It's not the military complex. Terrorists are 16-year-old kids who are promised keyhole sex. Maybe if they could see a woman's face, they might not get onto that plane with a bomb in their suitcase.